In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite with a PlayStation 5 controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite on PC natively supports PlayStation controller controls, so all you have to do is connect your PlayStation 5 or even your PlayStation 4 controller on your computer and open up Fortnite. To demonstrate, as you can see, I have my controller connected, and as soon as I press any buttons, you can clearly see that the loadout or the layout for the buttons changes, and it allows me to use the controller to switch menus and control all my actions. So, if you want to, you could even disconnect your keyboard and mouse at this point, since the controller is fully supported and set up for you to play. If you wish to alter any of the settings, simply head over to the main menu over here at the top left corner of the screen, go into the settings, and you will be able to find the settings to change your controls from here at the top. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on PC with a PlayStation 5 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.